If you're working in Dreamweaver and you get an error message, something about that there's already another site with the same name, it's probably that you've got to go back into manage your sites. So one thing, again, I always want to make sure when you're in this navigation pane in the upper right hand corner, when you're looking at your files, again, forget really files, just focus on folders right now. So again, you do have access to your hard drive here, but really what we're looking for are the folders listed down below here. So these are all unique, and again, you can't have a duplicate one there. So you want to go back in the manage sites. When you bring up this dialog box here, this is where you can go back and say, all right, look, I already have a website apply, or I made it like a wrong name and I want to fix it. So you've got two options. You can always delete this link here, and I'll just sum it up as like a shortcut right now. It means more to Dreamweaver than that. Like if you delete this, you're not deleting any of your files or folders off your desktop. You're just deleting the link out to that. Again, Dreamweaver treats this a little bit differently. So if you want to delete, you could click on apply, hit your minus sign down here, and that would delete the current site that you have built. Again, it does not delete your files, and then all you have to do is go back to new site and then recreate it. Okay, that should be fine. And again, Dreamweaver will not let you make another site with the same name. So if you accidentally rename something or name something wrong, say for example reunion, and it should be a different name, you can go down here to your pencil and edit the site. So this is where you can get back in and rename this. Now watch where it's pointing out to, make sure it's going back to your desktop, going to your last name, first initial, and then to the right folder. But again, manage sites would take care of this. And like I said, you could either delete, and again, it doesn't remove your files, they're still there, it will set right back up. If you want to go that route, or you can edit, but managed sites would take care of this. When you're done, really you should only be seeing these folders here. I wouldn't be going anywhere else trying to open up files through your local disk or through your desktop at the very top here. I'd forget about that altogether. Okay, so we're looking for these files here, simply working on apply, and then you can bring up apply one. Hopefully this helps.